Hello, my name is Gordon and I'd like to introduce you to the JUS-CUTZ Universal A4 Die Cutting System. This is the machine you see here. The machine is available in 5 different colours. So the first thing I would like to do is run you through the colours and tell you the names of the individual machines. The first machine we have here is available in pastel blue and pastel green, and this machine we call Fresh. Moving over here, we see the vintage machine, which is available as a dark brown and a dark teal green. Here we have the third machine. This is our cool machine. The cool machine is available in blue and light grey. If you follow me over here, we have the fourth machine, which is available in black and white. This machine we call retro. And the last machine we have here is a two-tone lilac and purple. This machine we call Mood. Okay, if we come back over here, what makes this machine unique is this feature here. This is the pressure switch. Now the pressure switch can be slid this way or that way. If we slide it to this end where we are now, we are actually opening the rollers and decreasing the pressure. If we slide it the opposite way, notch by notch, we're actually increasing the pressure and closing the rollers. This machine is unique because the pressure is not set. The pressure is in your hands. You're in charge of the pressure. So what does this mean? This means this machine can take all sorts of dies. We can use things from thin metal dies, Sizzix Bigs dies. We can use Sizzlet dies. But that's not all we can do. We can run coins, keys, charms, embellishments through the machine. We can emboss things like that. We can actually flatten bottle caps in the machine. We can emboss the leaf off a tree. We can press fresh flowers. There's a whole variety of things this machine can do. We can use things like Fisker's texture plates. We can emboss them onto foil. We can run any embossing folder through up to A4 size. And all you're doing is adjusting the pressure switch to account for the thickness of the item you're putting through the machine. Now you may say, that must require some pressure. It does require pressure. That's why we have the pressure switch. Another unique feature of this machine is the fact that the machine has all metal cogs. There are no internal plastic parts in this machine. That gives it the toughness and the durability to do all of these different things. I would now like to show you what comes complete with your machine. First of all, as you can see here, we're holding the comprehensive instructions. These give you a guide on how to cut all the different types of dies, how to flatten bottle caps, how to run things like coins, etc. through the machine. So the instructions are quite comprehensive. However, they are a guide because, as we say, the pressure switch is in your hands. And the pressure switch will vary depending on the thickness of the die, the intricacy of the die, and the thickness of the card and paper you're trying to put through the machine. The other things the machine comes complete with is an A4 magnetic mat, and in the next video we will show you the purpose of this mat. It comes with the thick white base plate we have here for raising up the thin metal dies. The next thing is the tan embossing mat for doing all the embossing, and last but not least we have the thick clear cutting plate. In the next video, I say, we'll be talking about thin metal dies and how these are used in the machine. So we will come back to that in a moment.